Welcome to the messy kitchen with your host Miss G. Welcome to the messy kitchen, cooking for you and me. Welcome to the messy kitchen.
Warning, warning, warning.
Welcome to Messy Kitchen. I'm your host, Miss G.
We love you. We really love you, Miss G.
Today's episode of Messy Kitchen, we will be cooking colourful patterned vegetable kebab. Believe it or not, but mushrooms don't come from plants. They're a fungus. Mushrooms are highly nutritious, but they're not all edible. Yeah, some are poisonous.
Miss G say what?
Mushrooms have more in common with human beings than plants. They have their own immune system.
What?
Remember, our immune systems are our own natural defense system in our bodies. They fight off harmful diseases. Some mushrooms glow in the dark. Years ago, some people used mushrooms to light their way through the forest. The Roman emperors hired food tasters to test the mushrooms to make sure they were safe. Peppers are technically a fruit. They come from the same family as the potato and the tomato. Wow! Peppers contain a poisonous substance to deter bugs. That means that inside them they contain a substance that discourages bugs from coming near them. But don't worry, they're not poisonous to humans, so you can eat all the peppers you like. Onions have a very pungent smell.
Uh-oh, stinky.
Often when you cut an onion, it will make you cry. That's because it releases a chemical that stimulates our eye glands to cause tears.
What?
Onions have been used for years. They've been used as food, medicine, decorations, or even toys. Hey, catch! In Egypt, the onion was used in religious ceremonies. The Egyptians believed that the onion represented eternal life. They also thought it had magical powers. In Egypt, they buried their dead in tombs. They covered their eyelids with onions. In many of these pyramid tombs, you can find paintings of the onion. That's it for today's episode of Messy Kitchen with Miss G.
Remember to send photos of you guys cooking at home to my Facebook or Instagram.
Don't forget to subscribe for more of this.